Find or read reviews that people are talking about Ozarc 8250 amp, Heavy-Duty Lithium Jump Starter, 2025. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Unstoppable power. Jumpstart engines up to 16-liter gas and 14-liter diesel, handling everything from personal vehicles to industrial equipment. Rugged and weatherproof. With IP65 waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof durability, this jump starter is your trusted companion in any environment. 10-in-1 safety system. Includes AI-driven protections for overcharging, short circuits, overcurrent, reverse polarity, and more. Safe for both you and your vehicle. Smart display technology. The 3.7-inch LED screen provides real-time feedback, so you're always in control. Ultimate emergency lighting. A 400-lumen LED light with 3 modes offers unparalleled brightness and safety for any situation. Versatile power bank. Recharge laptops, smartphones, and tablets with 18-watt USB-C fast charging. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.